Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, I make weekly motherhood and lifestyle videos. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you like these types of videos. So today's video is going to be about my fall favorites, and I love doing these types of videos because I am a research junkie. I love to look at products. I love to test them out. I love to tell you guys what I love about them and give you guys inspiration for using all the things in your home as well. So let's get started with my fall favorites. The first thing on this list is this map from Mapiful. I have actually used Mapiful before. I purchased one for my husband with my own money about 2 years ago for Christmas, and I got him a map of his town, his hometown in Serbia, and it was absolutely beautiful. So I'd like to thank Mapiful for collaborating with me on this video, and I'm just going to show you a few things about it. So on the Mapiful website, you can choose between a street map, a star map, a zodiac sign, or text art. And I chose the star map, and the day that I met my husband almost 16 years ago to use on the star map. So the website was super easy to use. They had a ton of different backgrounds and colors to choose from. So it will definitely match anybody's decor or style that they have in their home. And they also offer free worldwide shipping. I will give you guys a closer look now at mine. So this map shows exactly the way that the stars were aligned the night that my husband and I met 16 years ago, well, almost 16 years ago, on January 8th, 2005. You can customize it so that you can write anything that you want down here at the bottom. So I just wrote the night we met, that's the city we met in, and then it also puts the coordinates for you. And then you can choose either a hanger, I chose the white hanger, or you can choose a frame to put it in. And this is the 18 by 24 inch size. It's so special to me because this is the way that the stars looked on the night that we met, and I believe that our love story is literally nothing short of fate. This would make a really good Christmas gift or birthday gift, anniversary gift, newborn baby gift. Like, you could do so many things with these maps. The second item on my fall favorites list is a pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks. Everybody must have tried this already by now. It's been out since the last week of August. This is probably like my 17th one since then. They are the most delicious drinks ever. It's the cold brew coffee. I get it without the vanilla syrup because I don't want it to be too sweet. The pumpkin cream is definitely sweet enough for it. And a little thing about me, before I got pregnant with my daughter, I could not stand the smell of cinnamon. It would turn my stomach. I would feel like I was going to puke. But after having her, I love the smell of cinnamon. And so give me all the cinnamon things, all the pumpkin spice things. I am here for it now. Oh, so good. And that's gonna take me into my next favorite, which is the Nespresso pumpkin spice cake pods. I have a Nespresso Virtuo, and so these are the big pods. Here, I'll open it so you guys can see. I love when Nespresso comes out with their seasonal things because they're always amazing. So here's the pod. So it's the regular size coffee. I believe it's 7.77 ounces. And it's got the pretty orange color on it. And right now, you can't even find them. So I actually saw these on Tiffany Beeston's Instagram stories, and I literally jumped onto the website and ordered like 4 packs of them and then picked them up the next day because I knew they were gonna sell out. All of their limited edition stuff always sells out. So I grabbed 4 of them. This is my last one. And I looked on my app yesterday and you can't even find them anymore. So I guess I'll just have to wait now until Christmas to get their Christmas special items. Next thing on my fall favorites list are these 2 oils. So the first one is from Sage. The second one is from Revive. So the Sage one is called Unwind, and the Revive one is called Protect. And Protect is actually a play on doTERRA's On Guard or Young Living's Thieves. So the scent notes in this one is orange, clove, cinnamon, cassia, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And I feel like as soon as you have orange and clove together, you have a fall scent. So this is actually going in my diffuser right now. And then the one from Sage actually came with my small diffuser that I got in my Jilly box that you guys would have seen in 2 or 3 videos ago. I'll link it down below for you. And the scent notes on this one are orange, bergamot, lavender, geranium, and cinnamon. Again, super fall scent. I use this one in the diffuser next to my bed when I'm going to sleep. And I use this one all day in my diffuser in my living room, so my house constantly smells like fall, and I love it, guys. Next up are 2 cleaning type products. So the first one is the Jumping in Leaves hand soap by Bath and Body Works. There we go. So as you can see, this one's been in my bathroom already, so it's missing quite a bit of it. The scent notes on this are cranberry, oak, and cypress leaves, and it honestly smells like fall. This scent and the flannel candle from Bath and Body Works are the most fall smelling things that you will ever smell. And it actually smells like a crisp fall day when you're outside raking leaves in your sweater, and it's just that fresh, crisp, cold fall smell. Then we've got the apple cider scent of the Mrs. Meyers. You guys know I adore cleaning with Mrs. Meyers products. I feel like when you use their products that the scent lingers, so you get the apple cider scent throughout everything. I purchased this on well.ca. So I got the dish soap, the hand soap, and also the all-purpose cleaner. This is definitely my favorite Mrs. Meyers scent. It only comes out around this time. In Canada, we're limited to the extra scents. Like I know in the States, there's a pumpkin one, there's an acorn spice one, there's tons of them. But here, I believe the only fall scents we get of Mrs. Meyers are the apple cider scent and the mum scent. I actually purchased the mum as well, but I don't like it as much as this one. This one's kind of spicy, kind of appley. Again, it's kind of sweet too. It just gives you all the fall feels. I don't know what it is about fall that you just love the smells of everything so much more. So there's 2 products left that I want to talk about. The first one is this Tula probiotic face wash. And I actually got this in a FabFitFun box. I believe my summer box, maybe even the spring box. Tula products you may have seen with tons of influencers all over the place. This was not sent to me. I actually purchased this in my box, but I love this face wash. There has not been any other face wash that I've used in my entire life that I love as much as this one. I love the way that my skin feels like super clean afterwards, and you can just tell that it's like a good quality wash. I know Tula's products are a bit expensive, but I will definitely be repurchasing this when this one is finished. And last but very not least, you guys know I love a good cocktail, and I also really love wine. Specifically in the cooler days, I prefer a really dry red wine, and my go-to is an Argentinian Malbec. So Malbec is gonna be on like your super dry scale. So if you're more into sweet wines, this is not for you. But for me, I like them, the drier, the better. And you can tell it's a dry wine by that feeling that you get on your tongue of like almost like papery, I wanna say, makes your tongue feel like it's dry. That's how you know it's a dry wine. Most of the Malbecs you're gonna find are gonna come from Argentina, and they're not too expensive. My husband came home the other day with 4 or 5 of these bottles for me, and he probably paid between like $12 and $20 for each of them. This is good for those nights when you're just curled up on the couch, you're watching a fall movie or a Halloween movie. I love me a glass of Malbec. So that's it for my fall favorites video, guys. Let me know down in the comments below which product was your favorite. I will be sure to link Mapiful down there for you. You guys should definitely check them out. Their products are amazing, and I'm telling you, you can use them for any type of gift ever. You guys can follow me over on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!